I'm Emil. I'm going to do colorful milk experiment. And for that, milk, food coloring, and soap.
Okay.
And take the milk.
Mm-hmm.
Can pour it in this. Pour it in this.
Okay.
Pour it in this. And take the food coloring.
Okay.
Open this. Put here.
1, 2, 3. 3 drops you're adding. Okay.
And take the green one.
Mm-hmm.
And put it here. And put it in here.
Okay. 3 drops of green color. Okay.
3 drops of green colors. And take the red and put it in here.
Okay.
And take the dishwashers.
Okay.
And put,
Okay. So you're using finger and dipping it in the liquid.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. This is awesome, Emil.
Yes.
Wow, this is super awesome, Emil.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're
Thanks for the
welcome.
experiment.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.